Okay, so for my free choice, I will be making candy compounds. The compounds we are going to be making include H2, NaCl, H2O, Na2O, CaCl2, CH4, CO2, and CHCl3. When I got the candy, I forgot to count how many colors. So there are only 5 and I need 6. So I'm doubling up on one that I'm not going to be using very often. There will be a color candy key in the top corner of this video. Orange represents hydrogen. Green represents chlorine. Purple represents oxygen. Red represents sodium, and it also represents calcium. And carbon represents yellow, or yellow represents carbon. So for this, you will need gumdrops, spice drops. I'm using fruit slices, that way I can eat them whenever I'm done with this and don't need them anymore. And you will need toothpicks. You will also, let's see, you dump up all this candy. If you were to be doing a class version of this, you would need Ziploc bags and copies of the candy key and the student worksheet, which I will also be doing and turning into you. So I'm going to just take some of these toothpicks and prepare. So I've already filled out my candy key for colors. So first we are going to be making H2. Hydrogen is orange. So here's an orange. It's going to go on one end. Another orange is going to go on another. This represents H2, or 2 hydrogens. So there's that one. NaCl will be 1 sodium, which is red, and 1 chlorine, which is green. Let's get that back over. H2O. Let's see, you will need 2 different toothpicks, I'm thinking. Yes, you'll need 2 different toothpicks. So you need 2 hydrogen. So here's an orange. Let's do oxygen first on top. So need that. And you will need 2 hydrogens. That represents H2O. Na2O. So you will need 2 sodium and 1 oxygen. Oxygen is purple. So we're going to do it very similar to the last one. It's just going to be going sideways. And 2 sodium. Keep in mind the red is representing 2 different elements. So here is Na2O. CaCl2. So Ca is calcium. So you'll need a red. And you're going to do this one very similar to one of the others. Don't remember which one that was. See, it's going to be very similar to H2O. So there's 1 calcium. And then you will need 2 chlorine. Chlorine is green. CaCl2. CH4. I have to get some more candy out because I'm running out. Hope I have enough for this. If not, I might cry. I'm gonna send that gold bag. So, CH4 means you'll need 1 carbon. It's going to go in the middle. Then you're just going to do 4 branches off from it. Then you'll need 4 hydrogen. You can see goes the glare. That is CH4, CO2, 1 carbon. This has this diagram very weird. Then you'll need 2 oxygen. Oxygen is purple. Okay, the last one. Yes, the last one is CHCl3. So, I've got sugar everywhere. Let's see, we're going to put carbon in the middle. And we're going to make 4 branches off of it. Then you'll need a hydrogen, which is orange. And you will need 3 chlorine, which is green. 1, 2, and 3. So there you go. That's how you do this project. And with this project, from where I got this off of sciencespot.com, it comes with a worksheet where for all of these compounds I just made using the candy, you will have to color in the diagram. If you can see this, I don't know if you can. You have to color in the diagram. You have to make the dot, like the dot diagram, and then you have to say whether it's ionic or covalent, and you have to say what elements make this up. So I will also be doing that, and I will be posting the candy key in the corner of this video, which there are a bunch of them. So thank you for watching, and bye.